In this session, we are going to discuss about how to compile a program from the source code, because there is a lots of the program available worldwide, lots of the program which can be used, but some program which are mostly used, they will be compiled in a debian package and they stored on the repository. Okay. Other type of the software which does not exist on the repository, they are exist on the official website of the software. For the example, I have shown you the Skype. Another type of there is a lots of the exploit are there, exploits are available, and lots of the other type of the tools are available which are running in a written in a different languages like C, C++, because if the program is written in a Python and in a Ruby, they can easily execute it in a Linux. You don't need to compile it. But the program which is written in a C, C++, it must be compiled first. Then you can use this exploit. Most of the exploits are written in a C language or the C++. Some are also written in a C# and other languages. So first you need to compile it and then you will install it and you can use it. Because as a cybersecurity expert, you will find lots of the exploit which are not having over the repository, neither they having on the official website. They are exist over the GitHub. Already you know about this, guys. So you will have to download the source code and then you will compile and you can use it. So how you can do it, I will show you. So what is the compile softwares and why we need to be compile the software? Compiling from source code allows transparency of the application, these features which are exist for the security purpose. You can enable or the disable features, it is depend on at the time of the compilation, and you can customize any further extension of the application and their capabilities. So how can you compile? There is a one GCC GNU compiler collection. This is actually common Linux compiler which are exist on the Debian as well as on the RPM based systems. So on the Debian or the RPM, if the GCC does not exist, so you can install by using the apt command, apt install and GCC. So it will be, this package will installed. So first you will have to install this package. Later on you can use this package for the compiling. Compiling the package is a really very easy. So there is some process happened. First it will unpack from the download. Whatever the package you have downloaded, you will have to unpack by using the tar command. If it is in a tar format, then if it is in a gz format, so you will have to run the gunzip command or the zip command we have discussed already. Now when you will extract somewhere, the next thing is you will have to go on that particular directory. For the example, you have downloaded the xyz full file tar, then you will extract it and it will be like this xyz. So you will have to move inside this file directory. Now there you will find a file, the name is a configuration file, .configure file. So you can run /.configure file to compile it, to create the make file. Once you will run the configure, then it will create a make file. Then you will have to execute this make file, run the make file to execute the instruction in the make file. Okay. Once you will run the make install to install the software. These are the processes which can be used or the used.